with Camburg here. I want to show off one of our latest kinetic trucks. This particular truck here is an all-new design where it's a wider cab, taller cab. One of the other cool features of this truck is we've upgraded the front bypass shocks to a 4.0. And on this truck it's available MIG welded as well as TIG welded. We've given this truck the nickname the MIG, but it's available both ways. So don't let the quality of TIG or MIG fool you. It's still the same truck we've been racing forever with some nice upgrades. So more of a full-size truck, bigger bypass shocks in the front. Other than that, everything's the same. As you can see on these front A-arms, they still pivot on the big 7/8 rod ends up here. They pivot on the 1-inch uniballs there. We still have the Blanchard round faceplate for where the Howe rack goes. All the same parts as all the race-winning trucks we've been building for years. One big change on this truck is this is a rear fuel cell truck. A lot of people out there like rear fuel cell trucks, so therefore, there you go, we have one now. Got this bitchin' gas tank in the back, got a big oil cooler in the front, so that's a lot bigger than what we've typically been running, so much better engine oil cooling. Got this really big single radiator up in the airflow in the back here. We're going to be mounting a double cooler, but one unit. It's a double cooler for the transmissions down low, so the air will come through and hit that. And if you cruise out the back here, check out this custom Pyrotech gas tank. We offer this tank a couple ways, but this one here is for the race setup, has that dual dry brake. We also put a fuel filler up on top of it, running the double Aeromotive fuel pumps on top. Those plumb down to Hydromat. What's cool about Hydromat is you get every little speck of gas that is in here, as well as it acts like a pre-filter. We've had really good results running the Hydromat. Like I said, the dual Aeromotive pumps. Very simple truck, just to the point. Same geometry that's already won just about every race out there. Big improvements on it. What's really exciting about this first truck is this one's going to go to Jerry Larimore. Everyone, if you know him, you know what a madman this guy is. He just loves beating up on the big trophy truck guys with LS engines. The guy's really fast. He loves to send it. So it's going to be really cool to have him on the team as a test pilot. Got a few more of these trucks coming, and as you know, you guys have seen us where we just sell the fuel cell basket and the fuel cells. We also have the front bulkheads that we sell for guys doing pre-runners. A lot of the components are available. All the other suspensions, like off the shelf. So these are our housings that we build here. We got the links on the shelf. So if you just need A-arms, parts, rear ends, whatever, this truck's just a compilation of all those parts giving you the whole truck. So we're going to offer this, all the shocks figured out, good valving, good motion ratios, all the coolers, everything. One of these rollers is about $80,000–$90,000. Obviously there's a lot of upgrades you can do from there with what engine you run, transmission, stuff like that. But our whole goal is to get trucks in the hands of people like you guys who know how to finish the truck but don't want to tackle all the geometry and engineering that goes behind designing these trucks. You got the Camburg quality, you got the race-winning geometry and the race-winning trucks. Pitch a new truck for you guys. Thanks for watching the video. Hit the subscribe if you can. Ask questions in the comments. Share with your friends. It all helps us out. Let's grow the sport of desert racing.